everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And we're outside my front door. That means it is House of Turnberry time. I got my new ribbon. This month, the box is a little different shaped, so I don't know what that means. But let's dive in to see what we have. All right, let's see. I'm wondering, red, white, and blue because Memorial Day. And we're coming up upon the July 4th holiday. So you think it's gonna be red, white, and blue again? I'm not sure. Let's look. All right, I'm seeing red, white, and blue. All right, so we've got our card like always. And yes, I'm seeing red, white, and blue. But I think I see a strawberry as well. So here we go. Box down. And it is red, white, and blue. But it's different because it has strawberries, you guys. All right, so let me get this here, get it all arranged. And then I'm gonna come up because I wanna give you a close view of each of these ribbons. So look how pretty those are. And this is like on like a wire, those. Okay, and we've got some little red dots. Oh, look, we got some gold stars. Some nice, that's velvet. And just some nice white and gold, some more pretty white. They give us so much ribbon, you guys. Look at that. And the piece de la resistance, it's strawberries and blueberries, you guys. Those are freaking strawberries and blueberries. And then some nice pretty white and blue. So you guys, it's so pretty. Now, last time I did the bow for my mother. I did the bow. This time, I don't want to do a bow. Maybe we can see about placing the ribbon down here. I don't know, but let's get this one off. Let's see here. All right. So this is going to be put on a hanger that I bought in the closet so I can use it again. Lay that there so it doesn't fall. All right, so here we go. Now I will say, previously, I think we always would get 2 wired big ribbons. This time we just got the one, but again, we did get this. This is a wire. So I'm wondering, should we do something a little different? I'm not quite sure. I have been seeing some places put their ribbons like here and hanging down, but I don't know. I kind of like it up above. I'm going in. Let's see here. So again, clip it. And now I just have to make it all pretty, you guys. So I definitely want the, you guys, where the heck was I? There is another, no, Silly Terry. On the other side of the blueberry is the checked pattern. I was gonna say I missed a whole ribbon, but let's get these all laid out. All right, so, and I will say, the bow was kind of pretty, wasn't it? And what would it look like if I had the blueberry and strawberry bow? That might look really pretty, you guys. What to do? Well, I'm gonna take it down for one because I didn't put it up here correct. All right, guys, so I've tried to do a bow. Let's see. All right, so stood around. Now, where are some of the other pretties? Where are my pretties? All right, guys. Totally disappointed in this lunch ribbon. It's beautiful ribbon. It's just, I don't know why, it's just being so difficult to like style for some reason. And I'm sure it's probably me. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure it's probably me, you guys. But the more I mess with it, the more it goes crazy. So maybe if I could have a wish, if they could somehow place the ribbon so it just all doesn't just hang down. Maybe some extra ribbon that has more wire in it. Maybe that might make it a little bit easier to style it. I don't really know. But I'm not overly excited in it this month just because I'm not happy with the way it looks. But such is life, you guys. This is real life right here. So, okay, well, you guys, thanks for sticking around, and I hope you guys are having a great time. Yes, I'm in a light sweatshirt, but yeah, the weather's weird. What can I say? But, okay. All right, you guys, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.